Welcome back to Mary's Creative Corner. Don't mind me. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much. Thanks for always coming back to check up on your girl. And if this is the first time coming across my page or my channel, please do well to subscribe. Join the family, alright? This is a very fun family. So just join this family. Alright. Also check out my other videos. I have interesting videos on here. So go check them out. Okay. Anyway, in today's video I'll be showing or sharing with us some essentials we need to get when going to school. So if you're a fresher or it's daylight, now want to watch this video because it will be helpful for you just in case you don't know what to pack for school. Alright, so let's get into the video. So I already have a list of items here just so I don't forget anything. Okay, so I already have them here and I'll just read them. So first would be an extension. Right, when going to school you want to get an extension, especially if school is not the type that have electricity like that, like constant electricity. Get the extension, you will need it. Yes, you would need it. Because when you want to charge all your gadgets, you need an extension to charge all of them. You might not have enough sockets in your house. So an extension would suffice. It would help you, alright? It would be the best option for you. Okay, so get an extension box just in case you want. And in case you don't want to have electricity and somebody owns their generator, you just use your extension to charge your gadgets. You see, an extension is very important for you. Something that you will need to be a power bank. Yes, if you have a phone, you know you need a power bank, especially if there's no constant electricity in school. You want to get a power bank to boost your phone whenever it's running low. So a power bank will help you in time of need. Alright, so next up will be pen. I know you're wondering, is that one really an essential? Yes, you're going to school. Pen is an essential. Trust me, you would not be able to fathom how fast or how well you forget to get a pen when going to school. So put this down on your list. Pen. Get a dozen of pen. Get a pack of pen if you can, because you would lose them so well. Especially if you're not very careful, you will lose your pen very fast. So get pen to jot down. Get as many as you can get while going to school. Next up would be buckets. So you take your bath, right? So you need buckets to take your bath and also fetch water. And not just bucket, also get a reservoir, get a drum where you can store your water so you don't have to fetch water every day. Alright, you want to get something to, maybe a keg, just big 50-liter keg. Is that what they call it? Yes, 50-liter keg. Or if you can get the drum also, get those drums so you have enough water for 3-4 1 week. Okay. Then next up will be water bottle. You don't want to buy pure water up and down. If you're a big girl, you can buy bottle water. Or if you don't have that much money, just get a water bottle. Fill up your pure water when you're going for class, and even gives you this classy girl, classy guy kind of vibe you get. So just get a water bottle so you can stay hydrated while you go for class. Okay, get a water bottle. Whatever water bottle is fine. Just get a water bottle. Okay. Next up will be calculator. Especially for science students, trust me, when I was going to school, I didn't know I would need a calculator till I got to school and I had to do some calculations in a physics practical. I was running up and down everywhere. I didn't know where to get a calculator from. I didn't know it was something I was supposed to get from home. So don't forget, don't be like me. Don't forget to get a calculator, especially the science students. Please get a calculator. Another thing you will need will be a file folder. So you know when you're resuming as a fresher, you have, even as a still like, you have some documents you will need to print out to submit. You don't want to just have them lying around. Get a folder or a file you can place everything so your files or your documents are organized. Okay, so you can get those light ones, whatever file you can find. Okay, just get a file or a folder to place in all your documents. Alright, so next up will be torchlight. Yeah, you need a torchlight. Alright, for school in the nights when going out or going anywhere. Your phone might be low or you might not want to take your phone out. So a torchlight would work for you in the night or at night. So get a torchlight, alright? Also, you want to get basic drugs like paracetamol, vitamin C, Felvin or Buscopan for the ladies who have cramps. Okay, so you want to get those little drugs, and if you take supplements also, you want to get your supplements also. And in case you someone who takes drugs for any illness, I don't know, you want to get your drugs too. You don't want to forget your drugs at home. Alright, so make sure you get those basic drugs you can just use at home. Once you get there, you have paracetamol to sort it out. Alright. So next up would be bed sheets. Get 1 or 2 bed sheets to change your bed sheets. What did I just say? Anyway, what I meant was get a bed sheet. You can get 1, you can get 2, but I would advise you get 2 or 3. So once you remove one, you have another one to place while that one dries or goes to the laundry. Okay, so you get 1 or 2 bed sheets for your bed. Also clothes. I know you know you're going to take clothes, but I don't want you to take all your clothes. Don't take every of your clothes. Take some basic clothes. You know, when I was leaving school, when I was leaving home for school, I packed all my clothes. I was carrying a very big Ghana must go with another box of my clothes, you know, but I got here and I didn't have anything to wear to class. Especially because we have to just wear corporate for class. So now I don't know what to wear. I don't have what to wear anymore for class. So once you're coming to school, you want to take your basics, a bodysuit, a shirt, a palm trouser, skirt. Just take something you can blend in with any other thing when going for class. Also get a flat shoe. I think that's very important. You don't want to just wear only palms or slides to school. Get one flat shoe or baby shoe like they call it. Get that, alright? And I think that's all I have for your school or uni essentials. If you have more or you think I skipped any, drop it in the comment section. I would be waiting to acknowledge them and also interact with you. Okay, so please don't forget to thumbs up to this video. Alright, also subscribe. Don't leave this channel, don't leave this video without subscribing to this page. Subscribe to my channel. Alright, you can also drop whatever you think I should do next, whatever video you want to see next. Drop it in the comment section. I'll be waiting to interact with you. See you in my next video.